everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Jennifer and I'm here to share with you guys some deals at Walgreens. We're at Walgreens. What I do is I go through the store, walk with some deals with you guys, show you some deals that I may or may not do, and then I come back and show you guys what I got. Any questions, comments, concerns, anything that you have, I have. We all try to help each other out. Best thing to do is let's have fun shopping. So let's go inside, share with you some deals, and let's just have fun. Here we have the Neutrogena makeup remover over by the facial things. These are $6.79. They are currently buy one get one 50% off. I actually have two different digital coupons. I have a 5 off of 2 and then I just have a $1 one, but we're going to use the 5 off of 2. You'll end up just paying $5.18 for 2 of them, but there is an Ibotta deal where you get $1 back and $2 back, so you'll get $6 back with Ibotta, making this an 81-cent moneymaker. Here we have the Irish Springs for $5, and we also have the soft soap, but my store is sold out of soft soap. But this morning we actually received a $2 off digital coupon that you guys would want to use. So you want to use a $2 off digital coupon, and then we have some $1 off inserts, so you can mix and match however you want to do it. But you end up paying $7 for 2 of them, but then it doesn't show the tag here, but you will get a $4 register reward. This is one of the deals of the week, so you guys got to make sure you do separate transactions if you're doing other deals. But you will get a $4 register reward, making these $3 or $1.50 each. Here we have the Dial body wash, 2 for $8. Now we do have a 2 off of 2 digital coupon, or we also have a 2 off of 2 insert coupon, however you guys want to do this, but making them $6 or $3 each. It's an okay deal. I kind of wait and see if there's maybe an even better deal, but if you guys love the Dial, that's a great deal. The soft soap is on sale this week. We have the ones that are $2.49. We have a 50-cent off coupon, that digital coupon that you guys can use. It is a 1 digital coupon for either deal that you do. But if you do the $2.49 at buy one get one 50% off, you would use a 50-cent off coupon. You would pay $6.97, but then you get a $4 register reward when you purchase 4 products, making them $2.97 or 74 cents each. Or you could get the soft soap for $2.99 at buy one get one 50% off. You will use that 50-cent off digital coupon. You'll pay $8.47, but then you get that $4 register reward, making them $4.47 or just $1.11 each. If you guys need any like hair stuff, a lot of these are buy one get one free. Like they have some clips for $3.99, buy one get one free, so $4 for 2 packs, which is a pretty good deal. Otherwise we got some hair scrunchies, buy one get one free, more hair scrunchies, hair ties, even hair brushes are buy one get one free. The Whole Blends is on sale this week for 2 for $7. I didn't check if there was any digitals, but we do have a 4 off of 2 insert coupon, plus there was 4 off of 2 digital coupon or printable coupons this morning. So you guys would just get 2 of them for $3 or $1.50 each. The Colgate toothpaste is on sale for $3.99. We also have some toothbrushes for $3.99. Now there was some printables that I saw for the toothbrushes and mouthwash this morning for $1 off, but it's up to you guys what you want to do. I do have a $1 off digital coupon for the toothbrush, and then I also have a $1 off digital coupon for the toothpaste. So you're gonna end up just paying $5.98 for 2 of them, but then you get a $4 cash rewards deal, making them just $1.98 or 99 cents each. I would skip on this deal, but in case you guys really need toothpaste, that's an okay deal, but just wanted to share with you guys with that. Here we have the Scope mouthwash on sale this week for $3.99. Now I do have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon that you'd want to use. You would end up just paying $4.98, but then you get a $3 register reward when you buy 2 of the products, making it just $1.98 or 99 cents each, which is a pretty decent deal for mouthwash. Most likely you can still do the same deal with the toothpaste if you want. I will check out another scenario for you guys, and the toothbrushes. Here's an awesome deal that we have. So I just scanned this toothpaste and this was $3 on sale. Now this is the same deal as the Irish Springs, but I actually have a $3.50 off of 2 digital coupon. You'll end up just paying $2.50, but here you get that $4 register reward, making this a $1.50 moneymaker for 2 of them. And here is another deal that you guys can do, but it has to be a separate transaction. So here the toothbrushes are $3 on sale. I actually have a $2 off of 2 digital coupon. You'll end up just paying $4, but then you get that $4 register reward, making both toothbrushes just absolutely free. So here is a hot deal that you guys want to get, but the jumbo snacks, which my store is sold out of, is buy one get one free for $4.49. You would pay $4.49 for 2 boxes. You would submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2 however you want, so you'll get $4 back with Ibotta, and then you get 370 kicks for purchasing and scanning the product with Shop Kicks, which is $1.40. This comes out to be a 91-cent moneymaker. Okay, you guys, I am late on this. Usually they do this deal every year and I have not seen a post, but the free book deal is back. So you could buy a box of cereal for $5.99. I wouldn't, but they are buy one get one free. So you guys would pay $6 for 2 boxes. You would submit your receipt to the KFC website and you get a free book. And I was just looking at all the books that they have, you guys. So each box is 1 free credit. So you'll end up getting 2 boxes or 2 books absolutely free. This is their 3rd or 4th year of them doing that, but I will make an updated video. But you should also get a free box possibly for the jumbo snacks, but I will find out more information and let you guys know. But let's get some free books. The Life cereal is on sale this week for $2.49. My stores, we have also the Captain Crunch for $2.49. There is a 50-cent rebate with Ibotta if you guys are interested, making them just $1.99. Not the old school deal, but hey, you guys, Walgreens brand baggies are back on sale. So these are $2.99 at buy one get one free. So you get them for just $3 or $1.50 each. Here we have the other ones for $2.79. Buy one get one free. Definitely a great deal if you guys need to stock up on baggies, but hopefully they bring back the buy one get 2 free. Here is a great deal for some pasta sauce, originally $3.29, 2 for $4, so $2 a jar of some pasta sauce. Great deal. My store also has a lot of food items like on clearance. We got the pastaroni, some Progresso, we have the Simply Asian Spicy, and we have some Campbell's, tuna on clearance, and then there's lots of coffee. So definitely check this stuff out if you guys need some deals on food. If you guys need some hot dogs, the regular ones are $4.49 at buy one get one free. So you would just pay $4.49. That's $2.25 each. Or they have the beef ones for $5.79. So great deal if you guys need some hot dogs. If you are a Nature's Bounty fan, these are $8.79. They are buy one get one free. There is currently a $3.50 off digital coupon that you guys can use. It does say it expires soon, otherwise there are some $3 ones. But if you can use that $3.50, you would just pay $5.29 for 2 of them. That comes out to be just $2.64 each. If you guys want some Unisom, my store only has this 1 bottle left, but it is $12.99. It is buy one get one 50% off. I actually have a $5 off and a $4 off digital coupon for this one. You would end up just paying $10.48, but then there is an Ibotta deal where you get $3 back, so you get $6 back with Ibotta, making your final price just $4.48 or $2.24. I was thinking of doing this deal with this and then getting the sleep melts. It would have been just a little bit cheaper, but I still have some other stuff. But if you guys need some Unisom, that's a pretty decent deal. The Purex pods is 2 for $5 this week on sale, along with the liquid, making them just $2.50 each. My store has this CoverGirl Everyday Defense on clearance for $3.19. It was $11.49 and now it's $3.19. We do have a $3 off insert coupon that I'm going to try to use. I'm not sure if it works for that product, but if it does, I'll pay just 19 cents, but then I get $2 back with Ibotta, which is a great deal. And then my store has some other makeup, but it's sold out. And then they have these eyeshadows for $3.39, and those are buy one. These were $12.99 on clearance for $3.39. We're gonna use a $3 off insert coupon. You will pay just 39 cents, but then there is a $2 rebate or $2 Ibotta offer for that. Now these also might be on clearance for buy one get one 50% also. If you do that, you might not be able to use the coupon, so I suggest just using one coupon per transaction. Hi everybody, welcome back to my Walgreens haul. There's some great deals today, and you guys, I feel like such an idiot. Like, I have been waiting and waiting and waiting to find the free book deal, and I have yet to find it. Like, I don't know, I don't like the new Kellogg's Family Rewards website, but I was looking at a lot of books. A lot of them are repeaters from the past, but you know what, there was a book that I actually want to read. It was a movie called Everything, and I actually want to read that book, and why not get it for free for just buying a box of Pop-Tarts or cereal? So I'm going to definitely try to do that. The deal does go until September, so we still got a couple months left to go for that. But I ended up getting some Pop-Tarts because I just kind of like snacking on these every once in a while. But these were $3.99 at buy one get one free. So I got 2 boxes at just $3.99. That's $2 a box, which is a pretty decent deal. I did try the Aldi one. The Aldi ones are just as good, but I prefer the Pop-Tart brand the most. So if you guys are interested in that, and then I will submit my receipt to Kellogg's Family Rewards. So I got that. I ended up getting these. These were $2.79. Buy one, get one free. So you get 2 of them for $2.79. It's like $1.43 or something like that each. If you guys, or no, like $1.37 maybe. I don't remember off the top of my head. But if you guys need to go for it, get these. I bet you I know for a while these shelves were just empty, and that's why they didn't have these deals. And I think they're going to see how well the buy one, get one free goes. I have a feeling they probably, I'll be shocked if they actually go back to buy 2, get 1 free. Just with the economy being the way that it is these days, go for it. But I know like my son's school needs these for school sometimes. So if you guys are starting to look for school supplies, definitely go ahead and get that. Now I got an awesome deal on these makeup. So I ended up having, these were were these buy one get one 50 free? I didn't check my receipt. I dropped my receipt. These were buy one get one 50% off. So these were $3.39. So I ended up getting these. I did use a $3 off coupon, and then I had a $2 off digital clipped for this one, or one of these, and the $2 off digital did come off. And then I ended up getting this True Blend Everyday Defense. This was on clearance for $3.19, I think. And then I used that $3 off coupon because it is a facial coupon, or it is a facial product. So I ended up using this. I did not end up using an employee discount for these because of the coupon, because it would have gone under the coupon value. But I ended up paying $2.06 for these 4 items. $2.06 for these 4 items. But I end up getting $8 back with Ibotta. That is like a, what, $5.94 moneymaker. So I was pretty excited for this deal. And I actually I used to use liquid eyeshadow all the time, but one of them is Flashing Lights. Another one is La Vie and Rose. So it's like kind of like a little other one. And then the other one I got is At First Blush. So 1, 4, and 2. There's a third one that was missing, but definitely try to do this deal. If you guys can, definitely go ahead and do that. I love liquid eyeshadow, so I got that. So I ended up getting the Scope mouthwash. These were $3.99. I had that 3 off of 2 digital coupons. All my digitals worked, you guys. All of them worked. I ended up paying $4.98 for the 2 of these, but then you get a $3 register reward that prints out. What did I do with my register rewards? I had them and then I lost them. You end up getting a $3 register reward right here. And this comes out to be just $1.98 or 99 cents each if you guys need to get some mouthwash. I haven't bought Scope mouthwash at Walgreens in forever. I feel like I buy nothing but Colgate all the time at CVS. So I'm just gonna grab this bag and just bring it on over. Bring it on over. Oh, this one's got a leak in it already. I ended up getting the Irish Springs. These were $5 on sale. There is a $1 off insert coupon that you guys want to use, and then we had a $2 off digital coupon. You would pay $7 for 2 of these, and then you get a $4 register reward, making them $3 or $1.50 each. So yes, got that. I got the Crest toothpaste. The Crest toothpaste was on sale for $3. You guys would end up, was it $3? You guys, I got confused because sometimes I don't write this stuff down. Yeah, it was $3 for the Crest toothpaste. I had a $3.50 off of 2 digital coupon. You would pay $2.50 for these, but then you get a $4 register reward, making this a $1.50 moneymaker. You guys would get those all for free. And then there is the Colgate or the Oral-B toothbrushes that were $3 also, but then I had that $2 off digital coupon. You would pay $4 for it, but then you get that $4 extra buck, $4 register reward, making these both absolutely for free. So that's a great deal. And make sure you guys do all that in the separate transactions, okay? And then here is a great deal. Now these are the makeup wipes that are over in the facial cleaning aisle. These were on sale for $6, or these were $6.79 at buy one get one 50% off. I had a 5 off of 2 or a $5 off digital coupon. It was a 5 off of 2. You would pay $5.18 for this, but then there is 2 Ibotta rebates, one for $1 and one for $2. So you guys would get $6 back with Ibotta, making this an 81-cent moneymaker. So you guys definitely want to go ahead and do that deal. So that was my haul. I really wanted to get the Kellogg's Jumbo Snacks. I probably should go to another Walgreens and see what they have, but I really want to get that deal. You would pay $24.54, or not you guys would pay. That's what I paid. I did not pay that price. I always pay with points. I pay with register rewards, but that is not factored in. But $24.54 is what my total came out to be before all that stuff was factored in. I ended up receiving $15 worth of register rewards. I got 35 cents back, you guys, 35 cents back for points. Isn't that awesome? Yes. And then with Ibotta, I received $14 back. That is for the Neutrogena and the CoverGirl, which I was pretty excited for. So my grand total came to be a $4.81 moneymaker. I got everything for free, which I am pretty excited for. But definitely check out the Kellogg's cereal deal. I will make another updated video. I usually do, but I couldn't find anything on their website until I saw the box. So that's how blind I am, but I also been cutting back on buying cereal a lot lately. But make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up. I will see you guys next week. Hopefully you guys have an awesome week. Thanks for watching, and see you guys later. Bye-bye.